Good day guys, Liberator is here, back again with another video. Today we're going to penetration test LazyAdmin at TryHackMe. So I already start the machine and begin scanning. So we are the TryHackMe, LazyAdmin. So I run this nmap scan. So we have two ports. So upon checking, we can see that we have a web page here. So before that, if you only put the IP address, you will see this web page. For you to get there, you need to use a derbuster, derb, or gobuster, or derbuster. Or you can also use the search, which I using right now. So as you can see, according here, upon directory busting, we have a directory at /content. So we are here. According to this web page, it seems that this site is using, or should I say, running sweet rice. So there is not so much information here. Even if I use this app, we can see we have Apache 2.4, and then it's running on Ubuntu. There is no helpful information here. So the next step that we're going to do is simply Google this so we can enumerate it further. Googling this, we will see this GitHub. So let's check that site. According here, so this is the website. If you are running the site, this is usually what it's going to run on the web page. So there is a changelog here. We can assume that if we are going to enumerate site, we can use this changelog.txt. So according here, it has a version of 1.7.0. Over here, let me just, over here, if you see this, and then I'm going to put that changelog just to demonstrate it. The version that we are currently using is version 1.5.0. Okay, so if you're going to search for an exploit, so we have a vulnerability at the range of 1.1. You can try every exploit here, but since I have already tried this on myself, I'm going to proceed and exploit it using this one. To copy this, simply use searchploit-m, copy the path, paste it here, then you have your own copy. Here it is. Let's open the file. Okay, so according here, there is a backup of SQL at this directory. We can try this one. Let's try it. Okay, great. So we have this file. Let me check. Let's copy the address, close this, wget, and then download this file. Okay, we have the file. I'm not sure if we can cut this. Oh, we can. So what do we have here? We have a data. Okay, so we have the password on this side. This must be a hash. We're going to copy this, and then we are going to simply open crackstation.net. I'm going to paste the hash. So we have a password of password 123. Since we have a port 22, I'm assuming we could do some SSH. But what is the user? Can we use the manager or the admin? Maybe. Let's try manager. Or maybe let's try first admin. Copy this. Paste it here. Yes. Password 123. Nope, it's not. Let's try the manager. Password 123. Let's copy this instead. It's not working. Okay. What's the next step we should do? Let me analyze this one. Okay, maybe attachment image. Let's try what we will see here. Let's try this one. Oh, okay, so maybe we can log in here with the admin. Nope, login failed. How about the manager? Okay, so we are able to log in. I think the next step here would be uploading a reverse shell. Okay, what's that? Maybe in the plugins we can add a file. taking a while. Going to locate our PHP reverse shell. Okay, so we have here, clear this. Going to have my own PHP reverse shell. What happened? Oh, nothing happened. How about this? Ads. What happened? Still have the connection. Just checking. Still have a connection. What? It's lagging. Sorry guys, the site is having a slow response. I'm going to close this one. Come on. It's taking its time. Maybe I could post this video. Okay, so we're back after a long wait. Okay, the next thing we have to do is to copy the shell. I hope this works. We're going to copy this. Put my IP address. That is. What's my IP? I have to. This one. Okay. First that's. I'm just going to leave it as 4. Here it is. Going to ready my reverse shell. Sorry, my netcat. Let's try to. I'm going to test that PHP. I hope it works. What happened? So next question is how we're going to access this file. Okay, maybe we could try this one. Okay, so we have the test.php over here. Let's try it. Okay, so when I click the file, I name it as a test, but I didn't know that it will be converted to test.php, but I didn't know it will convert it to test.php. Anyway, I think it's working now. What matters is it's working. So we got a reverse shell. ID guy. So we we have our, I'm going to close this. We have our user, and then the next part is sudo privilege escalation. Let's try sudo -l. Let's see. I have to upgrade my PTY. Let's try this one if it works. Going to close this one. Okay, so going to close this one too. Okay, so we have only one terminal. So we have to use the Perl, and then we could also use this. Let's try it. Let's visit this first. What's is this command doing? Okay. I see. Let me think, what should I do first? So, not quite sure if what I'm doing is right, but let's try this one. Oh, it's not working. I lost my reversal. Let's try it again. Okay, so since we know this, well, we have to go on this directory. I think we need to append the file. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Maybe this would work. Let's try this. So, going to open another terminal. Oops. Okay. Copy this. try. I hope this will work, so I don't miss this anymore. Four two four two. Wait a minute. Excuse me. Okay, so it's running this file at this directory. Oops. Pardon me. Okay. Sudo Perl. Let's try this again. So we got the reverse shell. Who am I? We are root. So here's our root. There we have it. So we have our root. We have our user, and then we have root. This is my third video. If you have a comments, please let me know. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.